We're here na in Wabamon Lake. Hi guys! Good morning! Happy weekend to all! Saturday ngayon.
Clap, clap.
It's 1st of June.
Cooking the cherry.
And it's our first picnic for 2024. Summer 2024. Kompleto kami. Here's Zach, Zayla, and Achi. And of course, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Patubil sa mi, guys. Hi.
Hi.
We are going to Wabamon Lake. Na. Tingnan nyo, guys. It's a good weather. That's why we decided to go for a picnic. We're here na in Wabamon Lake after an hour. Nice kayong weather, guys. It's a sunny day. Yeah, look at the clouds, the trees, green na.
Sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back.
Hello, we're here na in the lake. Yan. Set up na mi sa among tent. Here's Achi, Zoe, and Zach. And Zayla there playing in the sun. Yan, guys. That's our ulam. Sa maning chicken, barbecue, longganisa, and pork. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Ito na yung tent namin. Manang na-set up. Dala mi og airbed para kung makatulog mi. May gusto maghigda-higda. Then we have our mangga, chichiria, bun, rice, yun lang. And teams, baon din kami ng teams. There's Zoe and Zayla. Huga sila sa kamot ni Zayla kay so pugaw. Diyan na niya yung toys. Dula siya. Wow, longganisa. Kana gud share tadi.
Zay, oh, dali Zay. Come here. Uy, meron ka kaning biscuit.
Ha? Hi guys. Let's eat. Pero guys, ito mo pakanggat ng taon.
Ito ko dangin na. So, ito ni. Usok na.
Ulang pag-usok ba nino di kay?
A slipper. Here. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
I'm sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away. Well, she's got her hair up top in a messy bun. 1,000 flyaways astray.
Hi guys, it's 4:56 here. We're still in the lake. There's Daddy and Zayla. Saan si Zayla? Saan ba? Yan yung batang naglalaro sa sand. Hayag pa kaayo. Ano may og burger patty for our snack. Tingnan niyo si Zoe and Zach. They're taking a nap. Tulog-tulog. Silaw na kay din ani, no? Dire man di ang kuan. Pa-sunset. Zayla! Dali! Here! Pila ka bok de sa isa ka pack? 1, 2, ha? Gamay ra ba na de? Na guys, our burger.
Sit down here.
I am bitter.
Why?
I am bitter.
Zayla!
Why?
Ayaw na Zay. Init na kaayo pa. Ano na siya? Pa sunset. Ay, kana din nga ketchup di ay. Ang berte butang ibe. Guys, countag burger. Hanggat Zach.
Zayla.
Ate.
Let's eat. Zayla.
Ah, gusto mo siyang gula.
Enggak. Zay!
Huh? Mamok.
Kung isa ka chair.
Ayaw, ah.
Zayla, ali. May bird.
Ba kami?
Hmm?
Drink, pakazay.
Benan mo.
Ano ba?
Dali pang hanggat pa diha.
Pwede yung bird dito.
Tapos tayo guys.
Mukhaon.
Burger.
Okay. Hey, that's in my way.
The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Something never comes.
Hi guys! We're going home.
We're going home. I didn't see her.
Hi Zayla!
Ano eh? Hindi rin ito itong yung bahay.
Ikapoy na si Zayla. Okay, grabe iyang dula. Say hi! Zayla! Hi guys! Zoe and
Hi guys.
Zach.
Going home.
Time check. Unsa na kay oras de? 7:40.
7:40.
Grabe 7:40. Mo ni atong pinakadugay nga picnic nang uli.
Dili oy.
Mo ni katong sa una katong dirita. Unsa ta oras?
Delete na, i-delete.
Adlo kayo.
Ako nang susunod.
Pauli nami.
Gabi na na.
Dana si Zayla. Are you tired? Huh? No? Did you enjoy? Zayla?
Ako sa imo.
Oh, yes.
What?
here.
Hala, did you say bye-bye to your friends?
I know.
Uy, naman ang
No.
ako.
Why?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends.
See
Na-
you.
See you.
Tia, ano pili to?
It's sun.
No, where's your toy?
It
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, everyone.
Garbage.
Bye na.
Bye everyone.
Bye, guys.
See
Bye.
you on our next picnic.
Yeah.
Minutes.
Daddy.
Summer.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.